Puno ng sigla at pag-asa ang Baguio Convention and Cultural Center sa muling pagtitipon ng sektor ng Persons with Disabilities o PWD sa lungsod ng Baguio. Ginanap kamakailan ang National Disability Rights Week 2026 na may temang Right First, Legislation Forward, Strategic Action for Equal Participation and Inclusive Development. Bahagi ng mga pangunahing kaganapan ang Regional Committee on Disability Affairs Caravan, Mr. and Miss NDRW 2026 at ang inabangang Philippine Fashion Fest at Kila. Tampok sa programa ang pagrampa ng mga kabataang PWD kung saan ipinamalas nila ang kanilang husay at tiwala sa sarili. Ayon sa organizers, ang pagsasanay na ito ay hindi lamang simpleng pagtatanghal, kundi bahagi rin ng kanilang therapy at pakikipagsalamuha sa kapwa.
We started with just 5 models, and then every after week, we do have our rehearsal regularly at the City Hall for every first and third Sunday of the month. It is actually part of their therapy, going out and mingling with other children. To the parents, thank you for believing and trusting me to train your children. And with that trainings that they have been undergoing for almost 6 months, I saw that they are already ready to showcase themselves. From the start until now, they have developed discipline and they have developed self-camaraderie. And that is why we are having the Philippine Fashion Fest this afternoon.
Bukod sa selebrasyon ng talento, binigyang diin ng pamahalaang lokal ang mga konkretong hakbang para sa kapakanan ng sektor. Inihayag ni Baguio City Disability Affairs Office Head, Dr. Samuel Aquino, na responsibilidad ng komunidad na tiyaking walang PWD ang maiiwan.
Indeed, it's amazing to be with you tonight as we celebrate our life of children with disability. Because as I said, the children with disability is our responsibility and our commitment for the next generation. That is why our government is doing our best to make it sure that nothing about us without us, and to make a remarkable in our community that no Filipino with disability will be left behind.
Suportado rin ni Congressman Mauricio Domogan ang mga panukalang batas para sa PWDs. Kasabay ang anunsyo hinggil sa educational assistance para sa mga estudyanteng PWD na nasa kolehiyo.
Let us continue working together to give what we can, not only to other individuals, but also with you, persons with disability. Yes, it is us who can help one another. It is us that our God has given the talent to help one another. As I said, in whatever little capacity that we can, we will continue to help you. Before I will forget the announcement that I had been making also, we have a financial educational assistance that we are giving. And I'm asking those persons with disability, as we are doing with others, to submit the names of the students who are in college.
Sa pagtatapos ng aktibidad, muling pinatunayan ng lungsod ng Baguio na ang tunay na inklusyon ay nagmumula sa pagkilala sa kakayahan at pantay na karapatan ng bawat isa. UC Intern Clarice Hidalgo nagbabalita para sa ABN News.